Hello folks, welcome back to Allotmentjoy. I'm back on the plot. Yeah, I've got some potatoes I want to take out today. It's a beautiful day. Could this be a golden October? Anyway, so let's get this variety out. The volunteer calls out here. Right now, a bit of a one. Okay, let's get a basket. Let's see what we get. Chanel, come on. Chanel, come on. All right. Come on, now, come. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Okay, here we go. Take my glasses off. So, these were planted on the 19th of May and they are Kondor. So naturally, earlier on this year, Jameson Brothers said that they had some available. So I thought, well, get the wire there, and that's what I did. The reason why I like to use my hands is the fact that you're not going to damage the potatoes as much and you can feel them better. I much rather use my hands for this, just to make sure. the next basket. Nice and damp the soil. Dead potato. Right. A bit firm in here. Not does your back in this. I think you know yourself. But at least I've got more access with this bed. A little bit iffy, so a little bit on the offside, so I can go down there. Oh. That's not bad at all. Yep, definitely going to be growing these next year. Gosh almighty. Excavating it. On this one, around here, it's a tough one. Get off. think that's about it. One. And then that one there. There we are. So that's not bad at all for one raised bed. There's most likely find one or two left in here, but it's not tragic. This is going to be a dedicated condo bed anyway, so but really happy with them. Yeah, so that's them done. Jobs are good. So in this bed I've got a mixture of miscellaneous potatoes. The one I can see here, 19th of May record. Yeah, so I'll just get all the greenery off and I'll bring it back in a minute. Record. Not breaking any records at the moment. That's record. It doesn't say anything else. Yeah. Anything else? Anyone there? Yep. Right, that was record. The next one, on to this, is main crop, 19th of May, Desiree. So, put it over there. Oh, for goodness sake. So record is a pale one. Desiree, I have a red one. That's a Desiree. Desiree. Certainly had enough space, that's for sure. think we've still got Desiree. Have you seen lots of farmers out there transporting their potatoes now? Yeah, considering that some farmers leave their potatoes in sheds and whatnot for under cool conditions for up to a year. Whereas if you get a normal plant pot and put a potato in it and grow your potato, you'll find there's a massive taste difference in something that's been freshly brought out of the ground to those ones that have been stored for a year or so. So I've got 2 rows left. One I can see is Mozart, and if you remember Mozart from the other day, I'm not sure what this variety is. It could well be, here we are, Setanta. Alright, so following in the footsteps of Terry King, the master of the toilet brush action. Yeah, here we go. My other half couldn't help himself. Go on. This is a Kondor. That cleaned up nice, hold on. That looks lovely. Yeah, now, there we are. They're looking nice and clean, so we're not taking them back home. Yeah, very, very nice. Right, so for the other basket of Lidl from Mozart ones, Desiree, Record and Setanta, we just shoved the whole lot into the one wheelbarrow to give him a wash. So, off we go. Right, so I said I'd wash them up, clean them up, and clean up we did. So, yep, they're looking nice and clean, leaving the muck at the allotment. Yeah, and the Kondor. Alright now, so that's the last of the raised beds now of potatoes emptied. The only thing I've got left are buckets, but I thought I'd get this done today while the weather's nice. So we've got one whole basket of Kondor potatoes. Yeah, what a fantastic result. I'm really chuffed for that. And out of the other one, I've got Mozart from Lidl, Desiree, Record and Setanta. So yeah, definitely got enough potatoes to carry us on to next year and beyond. Anyway folks, I'll say goodbye for just now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.